go to main, guys. There will not be shack. Mochi, dealer, are you there?
Yeah.
Buti nga
Dealer,
sa'yo eh.
Yeah, yeah.
Ako grandma
chicken
eh.
dealer,
Tawag niya sa akin
chicken
grandma.
dealer,
Chicken.
chicken
Go
Grandpa.
dealer.
to me.
Both AFK, bro.
I'm not AFK. I'm not AFK.
No. The Oma.
I'm not AFK, I'm doing the gen.
Oh, okay, my bad. Damn. Now they show it. You are doing the gen, so you can't even lie to the other people like I'm doing gen.
Oni.
Konnichiwa.
Oni-chan, let's go. Okay. Oh, there are two buns. Okay, there are two buns in middle. What the hell? How is
In
that
the
possible?
middle? At
Yeah,
somewhere?
Where's
there
the other one?
Yeah, there are two buns. Can you come here, Sam?
Yeah, hold on. Where's the other one?
Okay, it's right below the where you drop. You know, a big.
Oh, she doesn't
Oh,
have
Oh, okay.
her
Okay.
rage.
Okay.
Oh my god, she doesn't
So-
have her. No.
So who's the chasing her right now?
Me.
Where?
No, he's on me.
Cut
He's on.
off.
Where? At
Main.
the main? Oh wait. Let me
Main,
finish
where
my
the-
gen.
Big hole. Oh, he's breaking the door right now.
Maybe he has an add-on.
I left the main.
He
I
will
left the.
be. He will be.
Oh, he's breaking the door. He's making his setup there. Oh, he's a baby one, to be honest. He's a baby.
He's a baby? Maybe the baby wants
Yeah.
a mommy.
No, he's looking for a grandma.
The heck?
I told you, di ba?
There you go.
How old
Uh,
are you, Hindu?
Whoa! Like I'm 22. What about you?
Oh shit. You're very young.
Ah, may nakakuha na.
Hindu. I'm 18 Hindu.
Uy!
So I'm
Uy!
I'm more, I'm more mature,
Ah,
Damn,
fuck. Ayan, nag-ano to.
there you go.
Kidlatan yung nagsisinungaling dyan, oh.
There you
Blessing,
go.
Guess
blessing,
my
blessing.
age. Guess my age, Hindu.
Did you place the middle one? Oh,
Hindu.
Teresa,
Hindu.
why you left me alone?
Ah, fuck. He's on me.
Uh-oh.
I'm fucking dead.
Oh.
Oh,
I didn't even
Oh my
laugh.
Why every killer get my dealer first, bro? That's
Eh,
gross.
Jim,
I
pag
don't know.
magpapa-chase ka dito sa main, sa baba ka magpa-down. Para lang kung merong basement.
Oh, is there
It's like
basement?
I don't know.
No.
no.
No, basement in the shack. Basement in
Yeah.
shack.
If we want to chase here at the
Middle,
Yeah.
yeah.
middle. Kasi pag akit pa lang nun, ano ka na eh, makakawala ka na. Tapos may boon pa.
Yeah, there are shadow step plus my boon. Two boons together.
Thank you.
Run, sisi.
He's coming, guys.
I can't see. It's so dark.
Bad block.
Dark. Body block. Okay, whoa! It's like surprising. Like at the same spot there are two boons. What the hell?
Fuck.
Oh, I heard someone. Someone is above me.
Yeah.
Someone's
I'm-
above you?
No, what the hell?
Wow.
No!
Wow, I'm
What
just,
the hell? You guys double meaning, bro.
it's just adding some up. Mickey, what the
I body
fuck?
block him. No worries.
No, I'm just asking. See?
No.
Someone's above you.
No. Someone was like, I heard Pangmin mooring above me. So I was like, what?
Oh, whatever.
Okay.
Kita.
Whatever, yeah.
Oh, shush.
Yeah. Uma is crazy, bro. There you go.
Oh,
He's
he's with me. He's with me.
Grandpa likes the grandma.
Grandpa likes the grandma.
There you go.
Putik na yun, oh. May nag-doorbell pa eh. Naglalaro ako, pwede ba?
Are you under the pallet?
Pwede
Are you
ba
under...
bumalik na lang kayo?
Pwede ba huwag nyo na i-deliver yan?
Bro. Where is he? Where is the
Outside main.
outside
Oh,
man?
makita ko, Mochiii.
Still chasing me! No, he didn't.
Oh,
Oh yeah!
he left
Ay,
you.
ako!
Yeah!
Where are you? Where are you, Franklin? Where are you, dealer?
I'm here, going to me.
Okay,
Wait,
come here,
I'll
mate.
go to the locker. I need to go to the locker.
I body block. I body block the killer. You bitch. You bitch. I make him.
No, what the fuck, Hindu?
No, no, no. Go, 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 go.
Run away! Oh my god!
Run, run, run,
Sorry,
run,
I
run.
sandbagged you!
Run,
Wala!
run.
Sorry, Hindu. Hindu,
No worry. He's
recover.
going back for you. He's going back for you. He
Oh,
don't care about me.
no!
He
I'm
don't
so
care about
dumb.
me. What?
Where's the expo? Oh, the expo is
Yeah,
dead.
yeah. It's still here. Bro, what? Why is he taking my dealer, bro? What's wrong with the killer?
I don't
Yeah.
know. I think he likes.
Yeah, I guess he likes China.
China.
You're racist.
No. Like China #1, bro.
Yeah. We're
On me.
Blessing, blessing.
Okay, okay, Jazz, take him far away from middle. I guess the middle is fucked up.
Di pa ako nakakapag-gin, tang ina. Nagang patay.
Oh, he's on me right now. I'm taking him far away from middle. Oh, he's back. He's back.
Thank you. Thank you.
The grandma is back. Uncle is back.
Baba, man.
Oh! Nagpa-down ka pa! Wala siya.
Hindi ako naka-dead.
Kanakadala rin, nagpa-down ka.
Hindi ako naka-dead hard.
He's breaking that pallet.
Punta kita, maghilang ako.
Oh my god, bro.
He's still on me.
Yeah.
No.
Uh-oh. I'll go.
I'm under the pallet. I'm under the pallet. He's scared. I'm under the pallet, dude. Don't pick me up.
Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. Oh shit, the lag.
Okay, no worry, no worry.
Huwag ka mong pahit na.
Don't unhook him. If you unhook him, he's gonna put me on same hook. Yeah, now unhook it. Now unhook it. There you go.
Run.
Run. It's my first hook, guys. No worry.
Saan
Oh,
ka?
sorry.
Stop the car.
Oh, he's coming back to the middle. Sam, run. Oh, he's going back for the 2-person healing.
No.
No? Oh, then he's coming back for Sam. What?
Jen.
I will take a hit. No worry.
Blood echo, what the fuck? Blood echo.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh my. Anya, bro.
Heal, double heal.
No. I'll go to my boon. Do that,
Okay.
Jen.
Uh-oh.
Umuutot ng dugo eh.
Oh my god.
Ang pangit naman ng reference mo.
Go to the what? Gosh.
Where are you? I'll get you.
Where are you?
Middle.
Ito, nakasabit.
Ako na Mochiii.
He's camping. He's face camping. He's just standing there. Now he's going back for the.
Yeah, he's on me. I'll get mo. Ay, hindi. Bumalik.
Okay. Oh, he's hitting me, bro. Whoa. Why are you toxic, man? What did I do to you, buddy? Oh, I guess Zarina, he saw you. Oh no.
Ay, tanga.
Oh, di
He's
niya pala ako.
blinded.
Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, I'm going to the boon.
Go.
The other one, not the main one. The main
Yeah,
one.
come here. Do this, Jen. I'll go for the save. Oh,
Let's
Oh.
let's
Ah! Alis ka dyan.
Bro, Mochiii is in trouble.
I'm dead, guys. Oh.
Oh, I can pop this gem. There you go.
Oh, fuck. I'm in the pallet. No, I'm not.
Gosh, my dealer is lying, bro.
lying. I
He
changed
bought
my
the
mind.
He bought the chickens but not the cocaine.
What
He
the
just cooked the
heck?
chicken.
Yeah, no cocaine, you know?
What the heck?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, did we do that single man gen? Oh shit.
What the?
Ate Sam, may ano ko sa'yo, Ate Sam. Ganun.
I guess everyone loves China, that's why they get Fangmin first.
Ah,
Saan ka
nataon na ba
naghahabol?
yung ano dito? Main.
China. It is.
Iba
Bro,
na
wait,
yung ano
wait.
sa akin, tawag na.
Kaya, mamili ka yan o yung sa akin? Lola.
Okay na ako dito.
Oh, di ba?
Oh,
So,
Lola is granny, right?
yeah.
Lola is granny.
Yeah, Lola is granny.
Yes, yes. Wendy, tell me some Filipino. I understand it a bit.
Ah.
He told me some spicy things, you know.
No.
Ah!
No, Wendy.
Wendy. What did he told you?
Uh, like utong and two
No,
things like that.
the utong is with the cookie.
Yeah, udang. No. Cookie also told me that one.
Yeah. Tawag mo sa'yo no utong. Utong, come here.
Yeah, utong, come here. Small utong, come here. Jazz, can you get the rescue?
Yeah.
There you go.
Just,
Shall I pop the gen? Oh shit.
Pop it.
I blow it up, like what the hell? Oh my god.
Kita mo, sis?
Parang,
Nag-reply ako, tignan mo.
Let's go. Get the Sam, bro. It's the dealer, bro.
Para mas gusto ko yun.
Hoy, ayoko!
There you go.
Oh shit, wala na pala ano dito.
meron palit sa baba? Wala na.
Akala ko
Diba ako
meron
yung
pa.
pal-
Wala, bits.
Okay, do you have
Na-prep mo na yan?
DS?
Ah, oh, no, he's coming to you.
For
He
me?
didn't see you. Prep it. Naka-prep na yan?
Hindi pa eh.
Nani.
Naku, ngayon mo pa pinrep. Wala ko yun. Papunta siya.
Okay, Sam.
I think he saw you. Yeah, he saw you. Excuse me. He's looking at... Oh, shoot.
Whoa! Oh, sheesh.
Thank you anyway.
Oh, shit! Shit, no
I was
pallet
gonna chase
here!
it.
No pallet here!
Oh,
my
no.
gosh.
So
No,
sorry.
Skip. It's fine, escape.
Or just
I'm here at
99
the... Yeah, sige lang.
Join me,
House of Pain
Hindu!
ako.
Go!
Ay, dito, tower house pala.
Are you guys gonna... Yeah, guys, take my flashlight. I want the flashlight, okay?
Malis na ako. I didn't take your flashlight because I'm far away.
Oh, can you get
Wala,
in?
I'm gonna get food.
Bruh.
I'm in it.
Oh my gosh, you already have that much chicken. Why you're having food now? Come on. Just kidding. Oh,
Ooh,
bro.
I have 2 pips for this. Nice.
Bro, that's gross. Look at this killer. He's not even level 1. What the fuck, bro?
Wait, hold on.
Serious pala siya. Ate ko nga sa